Today's recipe is barbecue chicken grilled cheese. Okay, we're going to take our rotisserie chicken and we're going to place it in a freezer bag. Now, I saw this hack on social media, so I've never tried this before, so let's give it a try. So after placing it in the bag, sealing it up, you should be able to separate all the meat from the bones easily without getting your hands dirty. So let's give this a try. So we're squishing it up. Kneading it, pulling it off the bones. So far, it's pretty easy to do. And now we'll need to get the meat out of the bag. And we're getting our hands dirty. So I don't know about this hack, but anyway, let's just get the meat for our barbecue chicken sandwich. Pulling apart the big pieces. You can chop it up. Digging around in this bag. I would say this hack is not really a success. Pull it apart. We'll shred it up as much as we can. I like big pieces in our sandwiches, so you can do it finer if you like. I think the hack with the blender, or not the blender, but the Mixmaster works much better. Right, now we're going to make our sauce for our chicken. So we'll add our olive oil. We'll heat that up and we'll add our red onion. We'll just cook this until it becomes soft. You could use a white onion or a sweet onion as well. Once this has become softened, which takes around a minute, 2 minutes or so, we'll add our garlic. And then we're going to add our chicken. And our barbecue sauce. Now you can use any barbecue sauce that you have on hand. We'll add our Worcestershire and some paprika. And we'll mix that all together. This is a great meal for your weekday, maybe even a lunch on the weekend. We just want to heat this through. So we'll set that aside and then we'll make our garlic butter for our bread. So we'll take our butter, we'll add some parsley and some garlic. And we'll place this in the microwave. We'll give that a stir so it's all combined. And then we're going to get our bread. You want to use a bread that is sturdy. So a sourdough bread works really well. And we're going to butter our bread with our garlic butter that we just made. Spread that on both sides. Flip it over to the other side. We'll place our barbecue chicken on top. And then we're going to add our cheese. I'm adding Havarti cheese, but you could add Swiss cheese, cheddar cheese, whatever your preference. And then we're going to grill it. So over medium heat, we'll place it in our pan. And we'll wait till the bottom gets nice and brown. Then we will flip that over. And we will grill it until it gets brown again and until the cheese is melted. Remove from the pan. You can slice it if you like, or keep it whole. And you have yourself a great barbecue chicken sandwich. And serve it with whatever side you like. Enjoy. Please don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Here are 2 more of my videos you may be interested in. Thanks for watching.